Renovating your residential or commercial space is not simple. You may find yourself having problems and a lot of stress dealing with your contractor, like cost overruns, hidden charges, poor workmanship, defects, not following the agreed materials, and not completing on time. With all this complexity and issues dealing with your contractor, now you have Supervisor. Supervisor is here today to define how simple and easy it is to supervise and manage any residential and commercial renovation works. What makes Supervisor different is our first of its kind unique approach, where you pick what you want and pay for the services you use. Simple, and it's cost saving. What's more is that we can help you at any stage of your renovation and dealings with your contractor. Planning to start renovation but not sure if the price quoted, brand, materials, and specs are correct from the contractor? Where are the hidden costs? How do I qualify this contractor? Supervisor is here to guide you. You've started your renovation but having problems with your contractor? You're being overcharged, lot of hidden cost, poor workmanship, delay in works, no time to monitor or visit your renovation site? No worries, Supervisor knows what to do. Your renovation works is completed and handover done, but not satisfied? There are defects, works are not satisfactory, not according to specs, no handover documentation, contractor can't be contacted, gone missing? Call Supervisor. Finally, dealing with contractors and renovation works has never been easier. Today, you have peace of mind with Supervisor. Contact us today, www.supervisor.my, or call Supervisor at 019 366 5353.